Aloha, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Hannalei Elementary School in Vista, California, home of the Stingrays and home of the Aloha acronym, as well as being part of the Vista Unified School District. I spoke here today to the AM/PM group, the after school program, and it's probably my fourth time being on this campus, but first time for this new school year of 2023-2024. And the focus today was on bullying, looking at someone's heart first. A lot of the students remember when I came last school year, and they welcomed me with, open hearts, open arms, and, it was such an honor to, continue to build on what we've spoken on in the past. We talked about leadership last time I came, and respect, and that's one of their principles, part of the Aloha acronym, leadership. But to be a leader, that means we also need to be able to love ourselves and the people around us, right? To look at someone's heart first before anything. So we had an assembly in the multi-purpose room today, and the students, through a series of inspirational videos, different powerful, heartfelt stories, some picture slides that reinforce the message, some physical props, some positive music, some hip hop with, uplifting lyrics. They really did take it home, and they understood, what it means to not only, really be the change, but understand that we must be the change that Gandhi talks about, right? That it's our job as human beings, our shared responsibility to show that kindness to ourselves and to people all around us, right? That we can turn our heart as big as our fist into this, the peace sign. One finger is ourself, the other is someone trying to lift up higher than ourself, right? But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, one heartbeat, one breath, one action, one word, we can do or say something so kind that stays on someone's heart in a positive way for the rest of their life, or conversely, it can stay on their heart in a very negative way forever, right? So we have that choice to uplift or to bring down, right? To be able to see people for their heart first, or for this too. Everyone remembered this too. Some of the new students that are a little bit younger, it was a new concept, but I talk about this in all my programs. We have the lines on our palms, right? With the lines on our hands, we all have the letter M. I traced one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but we have at least one in each hand. That M stands for miracle, like the front of my shirt. Upside down, W for worthy. To know that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to both give it and receive it. And once we really buy into that concept, now it's up to us to go take that out into the world and just, shine our light, be that light to other people's hearts that might not believe that they're good enough, or have, kind of believed some of the lies of saying that they're not smart enough, or fast enough, or strong enough, pretty enough, whatever not enough they are, but to be able to reverse that. And, we can rise above that hate by showing love. And the students, again, really did understand that today. A couple of them came up to me and said, Mr. Peace, how'd you learn to be so inspirational? And I said, look, it's just sharing stories of people like you. You're the ones that inspire me, all the young people out there that touch my heart. And I'm just, trying to be that mirror to reflect what you already know, that deep down you're beautiful and worthy of that love and compassion. And hopefully you can see that in yourself, right? And then once you do, go out and, be that light, that person that's gonna, rise by lifting others, right? And that's what, I guess, the inspiration, it's not something you learn, it's just sharing your heart. And sometimes that's the only thing people remember you for, or want to remember you for, right? So thanks for touching my heart. I'll see you a couple more times this school year, later in October and then back in the spring. But until then, have a great start to this school year, and keep shining your love. As always, make sure the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. Feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, where you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.